Volvo Xc40 Recharge. Pure electric. Technical. Specifications. Color. Black stone. Bright dusk metallic. Crystal white pearl. Fjord blue metallic. Sage green metallic. Thunder gray metallic. Charcoal fusion microtech, a textile in charcoal interior. Type of vehicle, battery electric vehicle. Type of battery, lithium-ion nickel-rich NCM. Battery capacity, 78 kilowatt-hours. Usable capacity, 75 kilowatt-hours. Performance. Max power of electric motor, 150 kilowatt. Max horsepower from front plus rear electric motors, 408 horsepower. Max torque from front plus rear electric motors, 660 Nm. Minus 0 to 100 km per hour, 4.9 seconds. Top speed, 180 km per hour. Transmission, automatic, single-speed transmission. Drive line, drive wheel, dual motor, all-wheel drive. Steering system, minimum turning circle, 11.4 meters. Wheels, wheel size, 19-inch. Tire size, to 135/50ths are 19 front, to 155/45ths are 19 rear. Braking system ABS, EBD and EBA. Suspension, front suspension, McPherson spring strut. Rear suspension, multi-link. Chassis type, touring. Electric consumption and range. Electric consumption, 221 watt-hour per kilometer. Carbon dioxide emission, 0 gram per kilometer. Electric range, 500 kilometers. Dimension, exterior dimensions, length times width times height, 4,440 times 1863/2034 times 1651. Wheelbase, 2,700 millimeters. Track width front rear, 1601 and 1615 millimeter. Home charging type 2 AC, SOC 0 to 100%. With Wallbox 1 phase 7 point for kilowatts at 32 ampere, 12 hours with Wallbox. 3 phase 11 kilowatts at 16 ampere, 8 hours. Public charging CCS to DC, SOC 10 to 80%. With DC rapid charger SOC 0 to 80% 50 kilowatts, 68 minutes. With DC rapid charger SOC 0 to 80% 150 kilowatts, 28 minutes. Preventive safety. City safety of car, pedestrian, cyclist, and large animal detection. With full auto brake. Collision avoidance and mitigation support. With auto brake of front, rear, and intersection. Blind spot information system, BLIS. Cross traffic alert with auto brake. Lane keeping aid LKA. LED headlights with active high beam. Protective safety. Runoff road protection. Front and side airbags at driver and front passenger. Knee airbag at driver. Inflatable curtain. Whiplash protection system. Side impact protection system. Driver support system. Pilot assist. Adaptive cruise control with Q assist. 12.3-inch driver display. Hill start assist. Hill descent control. Park assist camera 360 degree. Park assist sensor front, rear, and side. Convenience and comfort. Clean zone air quality system with PM2.5 sensor. Power operated front seats with memories on driver's seat. Power operated lumbar support on front seats for directions. Foldable rear backrest 40/60ths. Power operated panoramic sunroof. Power operated hands-free tailgate opening and closing. Wireless mobile phone charger. Audio system. 9-inch touchscreen center display. Volvo Cars app. Digital services Google Assistant, Google Maps, Google Play. Apple CarPlay. Premium sound by Harman Kardon. 600-watt amplifier with 13 loudspeakers, including air ventilated woofer and subwoofer. Bluetooth and audio streaming.